Hi, this is Jackie Arons, and I just want to tell you some exciting news about an upcoming webinar that I'll be presenting on the 8th of September on current tax issues facing SMMEs. Now, we know that over the last number of decades, government has addressed the issue of tax incentives for SMMEs, but we've not really seen any movement in this area over almost the last decade or so. So I'll be talking about what's the way forward, where are we going as far as tax incentives are concerned. But then, of course, there are much more important issues to be considering that are facing SMMEs right here and now. And these are the issues around managing tax risk, around tax challenges that present themselves to SMMEs, and how to negotiate one's way around these tax challenges. So we'll be talking about current tax issues that are specifically relevant to SMMEs. We'll be talking about issues around income tax, capital gains tax, dividends tax, value-added tax, and also issues around employees tax. And then we'll also talk about tax administration and how does that affect SMMEs. What is the issue around penalties and interest? But I'll also be talking about how to avoid getting into the situation of having penalties and interest, how to actually manage one's tax affairs to avoid wasting unnecessary time and money with penalties, interest, and disputes with SARS. We'll be approaching this webinar looking at the whole business cycle, from starting up a business, the actual running of a business, and then sadly we also have to deal with the reality of businesses that run into trouble. So what are the tax issues that present themselves in the course of business rescue and possibly even liquidating and winding up? So it's a seminar that is presented in webinar format. It'll be running over 4 hours from 9 until 1 on the 8th of September, and it promises to have a lot of value for business owners and advisors. I hope you'll join me.